So for the more serious part, get my master's and PhD in clinical psychology and gender and human rights. And then also do some projects I've been working on. And then for the hobbies part, learn pole dancing. It's a good sport actually. So learn pole dancing, do a lot of hiking, visit 12 places every year, so one place for each month, and probably 3 trips, so one for each quarter. That's just like a few.
Okay, well, I can make that happen.
Right.
Yeah, I'm actually into tour and travel, so on top of my bucket list, I want to go to Maldives, Bali, Mauritania.
Oh,
Yes, and then in terms of career-wise, I want to quit my job and start something on my own.
that's nice.
Yes. So to make that happen, you need to work harder. So yeah, I'm working on that.
That's true. So currently, what are you working on? You said you need to work hard, so I'm assuming you work.
Yeah, so I just started my tour business this year.
Oh,
So we've gone on one trip. We need to go to.
congratulations.
Yeah, thank you. We have to go to another in April. So we're working on it small.
That's great.
Thank you.